Oh, man. What are you wearing, bro? I'm wearing green, but when I had red, there was nothing, bro. Nothing.
Oh, you gotta go to LA.
I got a good dress. Don't worry. I went to LA, bro. There's barely anything good. Bro, I got a good dress, good heels, everything.
Are you okay to drive?
Yeah, I'm good.
No, you're not. You had too much to drink.
Yes, she's good. We good.
Are you sure?
We good. I think we good.
Man.
You don't need to be drinking anymore.
I'm good, though. I'm good.
Hey. We're good.
I'm good, man. I'm good. Thank you, though. I'm good, though.
I'm gonna listen to him. We're fine.
I could drive. I got a license, everything. What you talking about, bro?
If you pass that permit, if that's anything, I'm good.
I got a good vision, everything. I'm good.
Hey, when they cross Saturday,
Yeah, it's my third one. I'm good.
we
Man.
can
I
get
can
him
take
over.
more. I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're great.
(911) State the address of your emergency.
Eisenhower High School.
Eisenhower High School in front of Lilac. What's going on there?
There's a car accident.
How many vehicles?
I see 2 cars.
Nobody's moving. Is anybody trapped inside the vehicle?
No, ma'am, I don't see. I just see a lot of people in there, but they look like they're in pain.
Okay, fire and paramedics are on the way, okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Hurry up, please.
Hey, what's your name? Audrey? All right, hey, Audrey, I'm gonna have you come over here and do some tests for me real quick, okay?
Oh my God.
Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head. You okay? All right, let's keep looking at it, okay? No? All right, let's try a different test, all right? All right, you were well over the legal limit, okay? Do you know what the legal limit is? Okay? You have the option of taking a test, all right?
Oh, he's got lots of trauma in the airway. I think I'm gonna need to cut into his neck.
Diminished breath sounds bilaterally.
Take a look again. Hopefully I don't have to cut into his neck. This is gonna be really bad. Okay, I think I can get it without the neck. I'll get the tube. It's not looking good. This is not looking good, you guys. Make sure we have blood coming from the blood bank. Did anybody call for blood? Oh my God, look at these young people. This is not looking good, you guys. Okay, continue chest compressions. Epinephrine's in. Let's get bicarbonate calcium. Let's check again. Okay, guys, this is a traumatic full arrest. We lost too much blood. I don't think we're going to get it back. Does anybody have any other ideas? I think we're going to have to call time of death. Okay, what time do we have on the monitor? 11:32. Time of death.
Lieutenant Corker with the Rialto Police Department. Hi, good morning, Mrs. Parker.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Lieutenant Corker with the Rialto Police Department. This is my partner, Karen. She's with the District Attorney's Office.
Okay.
We have some news for you. Is it okay if we come inside to speak with you?
Yeah, I was on my way to work. Will
Okay.
it take long?
It shouldn't take too long, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay? May we come inside?
Yeah, come on.
Thank you.
Mrs. Parker, unfortunately, do have some disturbing news. This morning, shortly before 7 o'clock, Rialto Police Department Communications Center received several 911 calls regarding a traffic collision in front of Eisenhower High School.
Is Lauren okay?
Well, when our first responders arrived, there were several parties who were injured, Lauren being one of them. Despite the best efforts of the fire department and paramedics on the scene, unfortunately, Lauren was killed by the driver.
Okay, you guys. Here we go. Hello, ma'am. Are you related to Devante?
Yes.
I'm Dr. Finati, this is Dr. Asha, and this is Nurse Suano. I'm so sorry to tell you, he was in an accident. And we tried everything we could, but he didn't make it. He died on the table. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. If there's somebody that you want us to call, we can.
She was born September 3rd of 2006 in Pomona, California. She is survived by her mother, Alma, father, George, and her siblings, Alejandra, Adrian, and George Jr. Brianna truly lived life to the fullest through simple pleasures such as spending time with her family, especially her nephew, Gabriel. She enjoyed having an active, healthy lifestyle. She often loved playing softball with her friends. She had a passion for baking and would often make macaroons for her loved ones to enjoy. Brianna dreamed of one day owning her own bakery. Unfortunately, she will not have that opportunity to fulfill her dream along with many other dreams. Brianna will greatly be missed by everybody. For everyone listening today, please let this be a reminder not to drink and drive. It can cost you your life.
Okay, ma'am, go ahead and step out for me. Face the back of the car right here. Okay? All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over here to this nurse's office. Okay? Blow, 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 blow. Stop.
Hello? Mom? I got arrested for a DUI. I got into a car crash. I think someone's really hurt. I don't know. I'll talk to you later. I love you. Bye.